we travel down the leg. And here's what I mean. So this, then this, then this, then this, and now I'm gonna turn around and end up on this side. And all you do is alternate. It's really easy. All you do is just alternate the stalls and alternate the side of the body that the stalls are on. So if you look at it from the front, which will end up being the back, I will end up being ass facing if I do one cycle of it. I'll go out, out, in, in. Now, inversion organized legs 1, where I had you go out and in, you did do the same motion, but now I want you to turn 90 degrees. And so at this point, you'll be giving yourself a mutual reach around. Your one hand will be coming under from the back, the other hand will be coming under from the front. Then what you're gonna do is switch them so that the one that's on the back is gonna come under from the front. So you can bring it up over the top of your leg and stall. And then you're gonna take the other one over the top of your leg as you turn, and then you step back to butterfly. So here, I'll do the same thing I just did, only starting back facing, because then I'll end up facing in the end. 1, 2, rotating my body, coming over the top, rotating my body again, and back to the front. 1, 2, under, rotate, under, rotate, under, back to overhand. 1, 2, rotate, and rotate again, and back to the start. You go from a T stance like this to a V stance to a T stance. Here, you step forward and come back into overhand butterfly, split time. If we were to do just the left hand, it would be like this. You step your right foot back, you go left out, then left from the ass, left from the crotch, turn and step left out, then turn left from the ass, left from the crotch, and then back to butterfly as your feet step together. Then the right would be step back and right out, then right crotch, right ass, turn, step forward, then right out, right crotch, right ass, back to overhand butterfly. You're so close. Okay, step your right leg back. We'll start from there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right out, left out, turn, right crotch, left ass, left crotch, turn away from me back into overhand butterfly. Pretty good. Now step your right leg back. And then 5, 6, 7, stall, right out, turn, right crotch, left ass, left crotch, turn back to butterfly. Okay, so step your right leg back, 5, 6, 7, and right out, turn right from the crotch, left ass, left crotch, turn to the front, step your right leg back, right out, right crotch, left ass, right back, left front, and then I did an extra one in there, so sorry. Right leg back. 5, 6, 7, and right out, right crotch, left ass, left crotch, turn to butterfly. And then when you come out of here, remember to turn immediately. And when the left comes from the ass to the crotch, you turn and step. And if you wanted to continue the pattern, instead of turning and stepping, you would turn and step forward so that there was space so that you could just continue the pattern.